Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3. I started thinking about, if you didn't watch the first videos, you might be confused, but when you have a contour like this, that's going to be like a 3D effect, you've lost your angle of rotation, where this is just a drawing and there's our rotation. But we can rotate this guy before turning it into a bitmap. Let's see if I can get that more in the center. And then just you open up your transformation docker, which is under Windows Transform or Transformation, and then do our 10 degrees times 35 times, just like we did in the last video. Now, it's going to take a second because Corel's having to do a lot of work versus a bitmap that we did earlier. But it just all depends on what you want to do. I'm going to convert the whole thing to a bitmap anyway, so I don't really think this is an advantage. But you can see the different, that when we move this, it's just a bunch of contour lines and not a bitmap. Now, if I was going to do this for real, I would probably select it all, go ahead and group it together, and then make it like that 3 inches like we did before. And I've had better luck by now converting this to a bitmap. I don't know why, but it seems like it engraves it better in the 3D model. So we're going to grab this, go to contour or convert bitmap to a grayscale. It's going to take just a second, but what it does, I think it fuzzies it up a little bit, because these contour lines, even though I contoured it at 1/1000, you can see a little bit of the fuzziness of it. I think it's going to give you a better 3D engraving. If you haven't done any 3D engraving with your laser, it's quite fun. It's a little time consuming, and I've got several videos on that. So that's just another option. Hope that helped. Thank you for